Hey guys! In this video, we will look at the top 10 best noise-canceling headphones available on the market today. We made this list based on our own opinion, research, and customer reviews. We've considered their quality, features, and values when narrowing down the best choices possible. If you want more information and updated pricing on the products mentioned, check the links in the description box below. So, here are the top 10 noise-canceling headphones. Number 1. Sony WH-1000XM4. You might not even realize that Sony's WH-1000XM4 over-ear headphones are great noise cancellers, what with everyone gabbing about how comfortable they are, how great they sound, and how many impressive features they offer. But despite the XM4 seeming to excel at everything, the noise cancelling shouldn't be overshadowed or overstated. It's among the best we've ever tested. Like our previous top noise canceller, the Sony WH-1000XM3, the XM4 don't just cancel noise, they adapt to both your environment, read changes in barometric pressure, and your movement/activity, sitting, walking, running, etc., to intelligently and effectively block noise. Sony is so confident in the XM4's noise-canceling abilities, the company sent a huge, noise-making box alongside our review sample as a kind of stress test for them. And that confidence is well placed. The XM4 eliminates a ton of ambient noise, alongside being luxuriously comfortable and marvelously lightweight. Number 2. Bose Quiet Comfort 35 Series 2. Bose has a devoted following, and with a pair of headphones like the Quiet Comfort 35 Series 2, that's not surprising. The active noise cancellation, ANC, for which Bose is renowned, cuts out a wide range of noises from deep train rumbling to higher-pitched AC humming. The headphones are light and comfortable enough that they can be worn for hours at a time, although you may notice some heat or sweat buildup from where the cushy leather pads meet the sides of your head. The 20-hour battery life is also a huge selling point, though it's around 10 hours less than Sony's XM4. One tricky point is that, should you decide you don't want to use the ANC, for safety reasons or otherwise, you'll have to plug in and use them as wired headphones, since the Bluetooth switch doubles as the ANC on/off switch. Number 3. Bose Quiet Comfort Earbuds. Speaking of the Quiet Comfort lineup, Bose fans will be glad to see the new Quiet Comfort earbuds finally in the wild. These earbuds were designed from the ground up for one thing: top-tier active noise cancellation. They succeed immensely on that front, offering best-in-class cancelling among true wireless earbuds, adding a premium design, clear sound, and a comfy and secure fit that keeps them snugly and securely in place. In order to benefit from their vacuum of tranquility, however, you'll have to deal with a high price tag and some compromises elsewhere in the design. Those compromises include extra-large earbuds that weigh around 50% more than the AirPods Pro, a chunky charging case that offers only 2 recharges for a relatively low 18 hours of total battery between buds and case, and limited onboard controls that forego any form of volume level or even song back skip. So get your brand new product mentioned, check the links in the description box below. Number 4. Jabra Elite 85T. Jabra's Elite 85 tons offer plenty to crow about, including smooth and balanced sound, comprehensive controls, a compact form factor, solid battery life, and a barrel full of other top-flight features, making them the best wireless earbuds around. Whether you pledge your allegiance to Android or iPhone. Of course, no top-tier earbuds would be complete without good active noise cancelling, and the Elite 85T has that loaded in their weapons arsenal as well. While it doesn't offer the all-encompassing squash of background noise provided by Bose's QC earbuds, it's darn good for most any situation. There's not much else to complain about, though, as these buds are about as well-rounded as they come. If you can afford their not insignificant cost, you'll be rewarded with good sound, great features, and the best usability on the market. Number 5, Apple AirPods Pro. Apple's AirPods Pro offer everything we love about the original AirPods, and a whole lot more. Their sound quality is better than any pair of Apple earbuds before them, they offer proper water resistance, and their noise cancelling is surprisingly good. These are also the first Apple brand earbuds with swappable silicone tips for a better fit, including a convenient, snap-away design. At 4.5 to 5 hours per charge, battery life is one of the few knocks against these headphones. Some competitors offer 10 hours or more per charge. That said, their tiny case holds multiple recharges for 24 hours of total listening time, and its quick charging feature serves up an hour of listening in just 5 minutes, so you'll rarely need to worry about dead earbuds. Whether you're working from home or hitting the road, these earbuds are a great companion for all your sonic adventures. Number 6, Yamaha Y700A. With the Yamaha Y700A, Yamaha has worked to capture its storied studio sound via comfortable, noise-canceling over-ear headphones, and the end result is an overall awesome pair of cans. While the E700A doesn't cancel noise with quite the same efficacy as some of the Sony and Bose models on the list, they do a great job for something that's so focused on magnificent audio. The E700A's real claim to fame is its spacious, luxuriant soundstage. There's a quality of oral warmth and well-balanced frequency emphasis here, meaty bass, full mids, and sparkling trebles, that is sometimes lost behind the active cancelling quality of ANC headphones in this price range. What they're primarily missing is customizability. While there's a Yamaha app you can use to make small adjustments, the software integration here pales in comparison to our top pick, the Sony WH-1000XM4, which allows you to adjust the extremity of noise cancelling via presets for whether you're sitting in an office, walking somewhere, commuting, and so on. In general, we found that the E700A's noise cancelling efficacy was closer to average than spectacular. So get your brand new product mentioned, check the links in the description box below. Number 7, Sony WF-1000XM3. Sony's WF-1000XM3 is essentially the true wireless earbuds version of the WH-1000XM3 headphones, and the apple didn't fall far from the tree. While pricey, the WF-1000XM3 offers whisper quiet active noise cancellation, clear, detailed sound, and impressive features to boot. Their battery life outdoes the AirPods Pro, offering 6 hours per charge with noise cancellation on, and 8 hours without it. In addition, their accompanying app provides granular control over their noise cancellation and transparency mode, helping you dial in exactly what you want to hear and what you don't. Downsides of these earbuds include a somewhat obtrusive design, they stick out a fair bit from your ears, and a lack of any real water resistance. The charging case is also a lot bulkier than Apple's. If you're looking for the premium experience offered by Sony's stellar over-ear model, but in a tiny, wireless design, these are the earbuds you need. Number 8. Panasonic RZS500W. Panasonic finally jumped into the truly wireless earbuds game with 3 new offerings, including the budget-friendly RZ300W, and the posh AZ70W, which bears the Technics name adored by audiophiles. But it's the middle child, the RZS500W, that won our hearts thanks to great sound and top-notch noise cancelling at a great price. True wireless earbuds, those without any wires, are increasingly adding active noise cancellation, ANC, but until recently, many flavors served as an afterthought at best. Not so with the RZS500W. While no earbuds can kill all the noise around you, these beauties provide excellent passive noise isolation alongside powerful noise cancellation across frequencies to whisk your sonic troubles away, whether they be barking dogs, screaming kids, or buzzing fans. And that's not all we love about the RZS500W. As mentioned, the sound is impressive, with a clear and relatively flat response that gives the music of all genres its due. Number 9. Sony WH-CH710N. The Sony WH-CH710N is positioned as a more affordable set of Sony's flagship WH-1000X series. They're considerably less expensive, but still, deliver a lot of the same great features and punch impressively above their weight when it comes to performance, including perfectly respectable noise cancellation. That feature is matched by clear and balanced sound, a simple and reliable wireless connection, and a comfortable over-ear form factor. Whether you need to work from home or you're on the go, or plan to be as soon as possible, you won't have to worry about recharging many thanks to whopping 35-hour battery life. That's 15 hours more than you'll get from Bose's top pairs, and even Apple's shockingly expensive, and shockingly heavy, AirPods Max. Number 10. PHAETON BT120NC. Like their heavier sibling, the PHAETON BT150, the BT120NC are designed as sports products. The BT120 are flexible and light enough to easily forget about while in your ears. Volume and power controls are set on the headset's neckband, making them easy to access. The earbuds ship with a number of sizes of ear tips, allowing for a tight seal to aid in noise cancellation and a precise fit. These are a great option for general music or podcast listening while commuting or working out, but serious audiophiles will likely be a bit disappointed in the treble. Additionally, while their active noise cancellation is an improvement over what might be reproduced while using them passively, it doesn't compare to the silence or higher picks offer. So these are the best noise cancelling headphones, which you can buy this year. If you know any other noise cancelling headphones, which we missed in the video, you can tell us the name in the comment. Thanks for watching. Like and comment. Subscribe.